Hi, my name is Alexandra from WTI, and look what I just got. My Levi's Wedgie straight leg jeans, and these ones come in a size 30. If you're anything like me, I love a good pair of jeans, especially when outdoors. These jeans are super high quality, and you could tell that they are really well made, down to the smallest details. As you can see, they are very snug at the hip and thigh and fit true to size. One of my favorite parts here is the buttons down the side instead of the traditional zipper. I think these would be flattering on just about anybody. The best part is you could even throw on a pair of heels just to spice it up a bit. These quarter-length jeans are perfect whether you dress up or dress down, going to work, or just going to hang out with some friends. They are elegant and casual and look pretty good with just about anything in your closet. And that's my point of view.